guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some of the best vitamin C serums in India, and all of these serums I've already tried and tested and they work so beautifully for my skin. They just add so much of glow to my skin, they repair my skin, and vitamin C is one of the reasons why my skin looks so young even at 30. I literally use vitamin C serum on a daily basis in my AM routine and it just works wonders for your skin. So if you haven't started using vitamin C serum yet, what are you doing? You're missing out. You really have to start using vitamin C serum in your skincare regime to see a difference. Nothing's gonna happen overnight. You have to use it consistently for at least like a couple of weeks before you start noticing a change in your skin. But even if you just apply vitamin C serum on your skin, it's gonna add an instant glow on your skin. So it does both of the jobs. It adds a glow instantly, and in the long run it enhances the glow on your skin. It enhances the inner glow on your skin. So this video is all about vitamin C and the best vitamin C serums in India, and if you want to know which are them, then please keep on watching. Before I share them with you all, I just want to mention that all of these vitamin C serums are easily available on Amazon. You can get them at a really good discount from Amazon sale. So I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out. Alright, so starting off with the first vitamin C serum. This is a new launch by Plum, and oh my god, it is such a hit already. This is Plum 10% vitamin C barrier boosting plus glow serum. So what I love about the serum is the combination of ingredients in here. It's got 10% of vitamin C, ceramides, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which I think is the best combination ever to achieve glowing skin, youthful skin and clearer skin. So firstly, it's got 10% vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production, which in turn keeps your skin much more youthful and makes your skin much more glowing. It's got ceramides in there, which helps to repair your damaged skin barrier, and it helps to strengthen the skin barrier so that your skin is less prone to damage. It's got hyaluronic acid in there, which helps to hydrate your skin and lock in all of the moisture into your skin, preventing dryness. And it's got niacinamide, which helps to fade away dark spots and acne marks and makes your skin much more clearer. So basically, if you want clearer, healthy, glowing skin and youthful looking skin, then you have to try out the serum. I love the formulation of this. I love the ingredient list of this, and the packaging also is really good. So it's got this dropper packaging, and you gotta drop it like that. So it's much more convenient than those press wale droppers. I think this button dropper is much more convenient. So love the packaging of this, love the ingredients, love what it does to the skin, and overall like the entire formulation is so good. That is one of the reasons why the serum is such a big hit and everyone is using it. So if you're looking for a good vitamin C serum that does it all, then get this one. It will literally do everything for your skin. Alright, the second vitamin C serum that I have is by the Dermago. This is the 5% vitamin C serum. Now this is one of those serums, like if you're just starting off with vitamin C and if you don't know like what percentage to use, if you should use 10%, 15% or 20%, then I don't recommend any of them. I recommend you go for a 5% vitamin C like this one. It's got just 5% of concentration, which is a very mild concentration. It's something that your skin can be introduced to. So initially you can start using a 5%, and then after a couple of weeks or a couple of months you can incorporate a 10% vitamin C serum into your routine. So if you're just starting off and just introducing your skin to this active, then I think 5% is the perfect concentration for that. Instead of going for higher concentrations and then ending up irritating your skin, go for a lower concentration so that your skin is familiar with the ingredient for a couple of weeks or months, and then go for higher concentrations. Even lower concentrations do give you results, of course slower results, but then they are more skin friendly because your skin gets to know this active and it gets to settle with this active. So that is one of the reasons why you should go for a lower concentration initially when you're just starting off, and this Dermago 5% vitamin C serum is just the right product for you. Alright, the third vitamin C serum that I have is by Juicy Chemistry. This is their 10% vitamin C plus EGCG serum. So the reason that I love this serum is that along with 10% vitamin C, this also has EGCG, which has really good benefits for your skin. So EGCG basically helps to reverse sun damage. It's got anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which help to reverse sun damage. So any damage that is caused due to the sun on your skin, that is dark spots or sun tanning or dull skin, this helps to reverse all of that, and in turn it also helps to brighten up your skin, give you that glowing skin, and heals your skin. It fades away all of that unevenness on your skin and helps you achieve clearer skin. So that's the reason why I really like this serum. So if you're someone who travels every single day and is exposed to a lot of sun, then you really have to try out this serum. Just use the serum and it will help to reverse all of that sun damage, all of that dullness that's caused because of the harmful UV rays or because of the pollution. It will help to reverse all of that and help you in achieving clearer glowing skin. So the serum is really good for that. So if you're out and about every day, this is the perfect serum for you all. Alright, the next serum that I have is for my sensitive skin girlies. If you're someone like me who has extremely sensitive skin and you have to be really careful about what you put on your skin, then this is the perfect serum for you. This is Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C Ampoule Serum. So if you have ever used a vitamin C serum on your skin and it's ended up like irritating your skin, causing redness or acne, or just inflamed and irritated your skin, then this is the perfect serum for you all. It's an ampoule serum, which is more like a sensitive skin friendly serum. This is very gentle on your skin. It does not contain any ingredients which can damage your skin, which can irritate your sensitive skin, which can trigger your skin. Nothing of that sort. It's a very gentle formulation. This is one of those serums that is suitable for sensitive skin or irritated skin or inflamed skin. You can try this out. So this has ceramides, which helps to repair your damaged skin barrier. So usually with sensitive skin girlies, the problem is that your skin barrier is damaged, your skin barrier is compromised. That's the reason why your skin is behaving so sensitive. That's the reason why it's getting irritated because of the weather change, because of whatever you eat or whatever you apply on your skin is becoming irritated and red and inflamed. It's because your skin barrier is damaged. So the ceramides in the serum helps to repair that skin barrier. It helps to strengthen your skin barrier so that your skin becomes less prone to damage. And along with that, this also has 10% of vitamin C, which does all of that glowing skin, youthful skin magic on your skin. So the combination of ceramides and vitamin C in the serum is what is suitable for sensitive skin. You should not be using any vitamin C serum without ceramides if you have sensitive skin. Ceramides are a must have in your skincare, and even if you're using the serum, I still recommend you use a ceramide infused moisturizer after using the serum. And whatever products that you use, make sure that they have ceramides and peptides in there, because if you have damaged skin, if you have sensitive skin, then these are the only two ingredients that will help to repair all of that damage. So make sure that you use ceramides in your skincare regime. And the best way to use a vitamin C serum is with a vitamin C serum that's infused with ceramides. So this is just that product for you. And moreover, it's an ampoule serum, which is a beginner friendly serum, which is a sensitive skin friendly serum. It does not contain any harsh ingredients or harmful ingredients that can damage or irritate your skin. So that's the best part of all. The last product that I have in today's video is this Dermago 15% vitamin C intense brightening ampoule kit. Alright, so this is like a fresh mix vitamin C serum. Every time that you want to use it, you need to mix it fresh. You need to prepare a fresh batch for this. Whereas all of the other bottled vitamin C serums that you see, these are ready to use vitamin C serums, already formulated and mixed and everything. So the reason why this is much more effective and this can show you better results, it can give you much faster results, is because it's a fresh mix and it works, and it's not something that's been prepared and stored already for so many months straight. So how you're supposed to use this is that you need to take one of these capsule tubes, and in here this is the serum that you see, but this does not have any vitamin C. The vitamin C is stored at the bottom over here. This is the vitamin C powder that is supposed to be mixed with the serum. So the powder needs to be mixed with the liquid serum, and you got to break the seal in order to do that. So I'm just going to do that. You need to open the seal first and then press the powder into the serum so that the powder dilutes in the serum and forms a vitamin C serum. That is how. And then you just need to shake this bottle really well. So as you can see, the powder has diluted in the serum, and now my fresh mixed vitamin C is ready. You need to break the and then attach this dropper to the tube. And there you go, your fresh mixed vitamin C serum is ready to use. So you do need to put in like these many efforts every single time that you're going to use the serum. But the best part is that this way you get a fresh batch every single time. And a fresh mixed vitamin C serum is much better than a ready to use vitamin C serum, because this way you can get much faster and much better results. And moreover, this has 15% of vitamin C serum, which is a higher concentration. So this I only recommend for people who have already been using vitamin C serum in their routine and vitamin C serum suits their skin. I do recommend this product only for those people. So it's a fresh batch that you can mix every single time and apply fresh on your skin for better, more faster and more visible results. Along with vitamin C, this also has ferulic acid, and the combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid doubles up the results. So that's the reason why I really love this fresh mixed vitamin C serum by the Dermaco. I think this is the best technology ever, like mixing your vitamin C serum fresh every single time. That way your vitamin C serum does not get oxidized, it does not lose its effectiveness, and you get the maximum results from your serum. So that's the reason why I really love this Ampoule kit. So yeah, those were all of my most favorite vitamin C serums, tried and tested, and that work really well for my skin. If you want to purchase any of these serums, I've mentioned all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check them out. They're all available on Amazon. Also, if you end up trying out any of these serums, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. And if you have any holy grail vitamin C serums that really work well for you, that have given you really good results on your skin, then comment down that as well. I would love to try out more such serums. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you in my next video. Bye.